Behind these gates, a White Peacock Mega Farm. Hundreds of rare birds are bred here. Witness a complete process in Precision blending begins with premium grains. Every batch is perfectly balanced. This ensures optimal nutrition, and each batch undergoes rigorous quality control. Every grain is visually inspected to ensure optimal purity. At the break of dawn, a rare gathering begins. These white peacocks display their pristine beauty, drawn by the promise of feast. A pristine, filtered water flows continuously, providing pure hydration for these rare white peacocks.
This sanctuary represents a breakthrough in avian conservation, where modern design meets the pure beauty.
Attention to detail is essential here. These rare birds require a perfect environment. To ensure a high hatch rate, keepers collect the eggs daily, placing them in a protected environment.
This white peacock is in peak condition. Notice the pure white plumage, a truly magnificent and healthy specimen.
Here at the breeding center, every detail is considered. Automated systems ensure optimal care for these white peacocks.
Inside the nursery, temperature is key. These young peacocks require constant, steady warmth. Clean water and soft ensure their perfect health.
Hand-feeding a white peacock chick requires absolute precision. A specialized syringe ensures it receives the exact nutrients. This one is 45 grams.
Recorded, thank you. Welcome to the future of avian care. Precision systems ensure their health. Every detail is tracked to help them thrive. Every barb is perfectly aligned. This pure white plumage is a rare marvel of nature.
Clean, filtered water is guaranteed. Technicians check the system daily.
Pressure looks normal.
Inside this facility, every breath they take is monitored. Advanced sensors maintain the perfect climate. All feeds in Aviary 3 are clear.
This male begins his breathtaking display. The feathers catch the last rays of sun, creating a This mega farm represents the future of specialized aviculture, where modern automation meets pure natural beauty.